If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Well, hello folks, Larry here, and it's mail call day, and thought I'd get this done so you can take a little look inside and see what it is.
I can say with absolute 100% certainty I know what's in there.
You do?
Yes.
How do you know?
It's simply my genius. There you will find, when you open that box, packing material.
See, he does that intentionally. Alright, so, like I was saying before I was rudely interrupted and losing everything. I got I Am a Survivor ballpoint pen. And there's more to it. And you know, as always, I'll do a review and I will share all this and tell you all about what's in this box. Well, here we go. Well, it's starting to get a little cooler here in Fort Worth. So, folks, before I open this box, leave your comments below. What do you think it is? I'll give you a few seconds. Because I don't want nobody cheating. Oh, what do you think it is? Here we go. That's enough time. Candy. Yum. Here's what it is right here.
Ooh.
Whoa. Your favorite Mr. Announcer too.
Yes, yes.
Whoa. And a special thank you to Lena from Pen Boutique.
Yay, thank you, Lena.
Look what I got from Lena. Okay, now, also from Lena. And I cut a couple of 4 things in here. I don't know what they are. Okay, let's see what they are. Kind of missing. And if you recognize this kind of a velour pouch here, this is going to be Pen Boutique's pen case, the Yak. It's a real popular, beautiful, well-made leather pen case. And the great thing about this is Lena has made them affordable, because you can find similar pen cases that will cost you a chunk of money, but we'll get into that later. And I'll just open it up and just let you look at it. Okay, so we'll take more of a better look after I review these. And here is another one. And of course, this video is sponsored by Lena from Pen Boutique. All right, thank you again, Miss Lena. Never get it's another pen case again with the Yak on the back. Really nicely done. Look at the beautiful colors. I like the stitching that is done. Everything is done really neat. It's perfect. And it pops open, and I believe going to get into this box. This is a shaper pen, metallic green. Okay, beautiful color, nice shade of color of green. Can't wait to dip into that. And let's see. Happy holidays from Lena and Pen Boutique team. Thank you, Lena and the team. The team rocks. All right, I'll read that after a while. And then here we are. I don't know if you keep up with Pen Boutique. I do. Thank you for being awesome Pen Boutique staff, raising money. And I'll get into that organization as well. And we're almost done. Here is the today reader, tomorrow leader. And another little thank you. And last but not least, here we go. This looks like another pen case. Maybe not. Maybe you're sure. Oh, I'm thinking this, and this is our paper is made in rural villages. And I'll let you read this, Mr. Announcer, while I open it up.
Our paper is made in rural villages in Nepal from the inner bark of the lokta bush, which grows wild in the Himalayas at altitudes of 2,000 to 3,000 meters. This is a renewable resource as the plant regenerates from the same root system. It is a tree-free, acid-free, and environmentally sound paper. It is widely regarded as one of the world's finest papers. We are proud of our contribution to the economic development of Nepal and the preservation of the art making paper by hand, a tradition that goes back 1,000 years in Nepal. And this is given as handmade paper products from Monk Papers at monkpaper.com.
And on the back of it, and printed on the back, is Monk paper. So we're going to open this up real quick and take a little look-see inside. And we'll take a little look here. Look at this paper. Now, this is the first for me.
What does it feel like?
Feels totally different.
Oh, wow.
Feels like I'm writing paper like back in time.
Kind of like almost a parchment feel.
It kind of reminds me of, we were watching that movie about the monks and stuff, and they were in their little library and they were writing and stuff. That's what it kind of reminds me of, that paper. It looks old. That's what's cool about this paper. It does look old, and it feels so good. It's not like Tomo River paper. It's not like any kind of paper you've ever seen. At least I've never seen this kind of paper. It will be really interesting to see how the writing will look on this. I mean, it's like you're going to go back in time to me. If you're interested in paper, seriously, I think this will be an eye catcher or really for a collector, because like I said, this is totally different. I've never ever seen anything like this before. And I've had quite a few rounds of paper. No, is it perfect? Not perfect, not supposed to be old, but I'm going to read up about this and get the information so I can give it to you straight from the horse's mouth. I think it's really, really interesting. So one thing about Pen Boutique, they look to see what's interesting out there on the market and what maybe you guys might be interested in. So Lena and her team are always on the lookout for things. So I think that's going to wrap this one up for now, but thank you for hanging with me today. That's going to do it. So, again, thank you, Lena from Pen Boutique. I appreciate everything you do to help me on my channel. And God bless you, staff, your wonderful family, and your doggy. I don't know if you've seen Lena's doggy. Beautiful doggy, sweet baby. So, peace, love, hugs. Be kind to a stranger. 'Tis the season. Be kind to yourself as well. And don't text and don't drive. Peace out.